Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef liver pate. First, ensure you have fresh beef liver, a medium onion, and good quality butter. Slice the liver into pieces about 1/2 inch thick. This helps it cook evenly and quickly. Next, melt some butter in a pan and sauté your chopped onions until they are soft and translucent. Then, add the liver to the pan and sear it for just a few minutes on each side until brown but still slightly pink inside. This quick sear is key for a tender pate. Once your liver and onions are cooked, transfer them to a food processor. Now, it's time to add the magic ingredients for flavor and texture. Incorporate a generous amount of softened butter, a splash of brandy or cognac for depth, and your chosen seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Process everything until it reaches a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency. Scrape down the sides as needed to ensure no lumps remain, creating that luxurious pate texture. After blending, spoon the smooth pate into a ramekin or a small serving dish. To seal and preserve its freshness, melt a little extra butter and pour a thin layer over the surface of the pate. This creates a protective seal and adds a beautiful finish. Now, cover the dish and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld and the pate to firm up, making it perfectly spreadable and ready to enjoy. Your delicious homemade beef liver pate is best enjoyed within 5 days when stored properly in the refrigerator. For longer storage, you can also freeze it for up to 1 month. Serve this rich pate with toasted baguette slices, your favorite crackers, or alongside some tangy cornichons for a delightful contrast. It's a fantastic appetizer or a sophisticated snack. Remember to check the description below for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.